Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create Google Calendar for a group. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically, if you want to make a Google Calendar for a group here, let's suppose that you are a teacher and you basically want to make a calendar for your students or for your class as well. So how you can do this? First of all, you will click on this plus icon here, and then here you can basically click on create new calendar here, and then first of all you will give a name to your calendar. So I will just give it a name of computer class, and then if you want you can basically add the description here, and if you want you can basically select the time zone, and then here you will create this calendar here and it will appear here. Okay, so we just have to wait because the calendar creation process is in process. So basically you will see it here right now. So we just have to wait a little bit. Okay, so now here you can see that we have successfully added this new calendar here. So how you can basically now share with this with your class as well. So you will click on this these three dots here and open up settings and sharing here, and then here you can basically click on this option here where it says that share with specific people or groups. And now what you're gonna have to do basically that you have to add the emails of all of your student here. Okay, so you can add more than one email here. Okay, so let's suppose that these two are my students here. So you have to just enter the email address of all of your students here, and then you will click on the send option here. And what this will do is this will send the invitation link to your students to join your computer class calendar here. Okay, and then what you're gonna have to do is you will just go back here, and then you can basically add events and tasks according to your need, and the students that have been added in your calendar here, they will basically see them. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.